तो जीएसटी काउंसिल बैठक में एक बड़ धरणर निष्पत्ति नि ब्लैक फंगस चिकित्सा आवश्यक होउथुबा औषध आउ पड़बनी जीएसटी सेहीपरि कोरोना चिकित्सा आवश्यक होउथुबा जरूरी औषध गुड़िक टैक्सर परिमाण कमाई दिया नहीं जीएसटी काउंसिल बैठक में निष्पत्ति होइछि। ब्लैक फंगस चिकित्सा व्यवहार होउथुबा एम्फोटेरेसिन बी भली इंजेक्शन जीएसटी संपूर्ण हटाई दिया जाइथिबा बेले कोरोना चिकित्सा रे आवश्यक हेउथुबा रेमडेसिविर भली इंजेक्शन जीएसटी कमे दिया जाइछि 12% रु 5% को यह कमे दिया जाइछि। तबे कोरोना टीका क्षेत्र में पूर्व भली जीएसटी 5% रहिबो। देशवासी टीकाकरण पई केंद्र सरकार किनिबाकु थिबा 75% टीका क्षेत्र में मध्य सरकार टैक्स देबे आ आयर 70% राज्य गुडी को भाग देबो बोली जीएसटी काउंसिल बैठक रे निष्पत्ति होइछि।
The period up to August was the recommendation. After discussion in the council, that has been extended to September. So this will be valid till September 30th. 3 items which the GOM had recommended at one level, after discussion in the committee, in the GST council, we have brought in changes. They are particularly one item which is the furnaces, the electric furnaces which are used in the crematoriums. The GOM had recommended 12%. We, after the discussion in the council, have brought it down further to 5%. Then temperature checking equipments, the GOM recommended 18%. After discussion in the council today, we are bringing it down to 5%. And the third item, which is the ambulances, the GOM had recommended at 28 because it has a different connotation to the automobile sector. But even then, because it's for a limited period and because it's a very enduring asset for the hospitals, even with depreciating value, nevertheless, we thought even ambulances should be brought down. So the GOM's recommendation of 28 for the ambulance has been brought down to 12%. Then it was felt that the GOM's recommendations has brought in a lot of substantial change. Many items were at 18, they have been brought down to 5. Many items which were at 12 have been brought down to 5 again. Medicines which had 5 items in it. Oxygen generation equipments and related medical devices had 6 items in it. Testing kits and machines related to testing kits had 2 items under it. And other COVID-related relief materials like pulse oximeters, hand sanitizers and so on had 5 items in it. So you see that there are 4 categories: medicines, oxygen generation equipments, testing kits and other machines. 4th, other COVID-related relief material. So the taxes on these were considered, and GOM suggested altering the rates.